So picking up on this idea of control points that have weights, I can demonstrate that by selecting the control point, or before even doing that, just typing in the command weight, and now you can see that it prompts me to select the control points to edit the weights. And if I select this point, for example, and press enter, I'll get this dialog box that allows me to kind of increase or decrease the amount of weight. So it kind of almost works like a magnet that either kind of pulls towards or repels away from the control point. And this kind of allows you to have a little more control over the curve. And if we run that same command and apply it to the other curve as well, we can start to edit this curve a little bit more. We can also kind of go over to our curve tool tab, and you'll see again, because we're dealing with curve objects, we're seeing all of our curve object tools like control point curve, interpolate curve, single line, polyline, ellipses, rectangles. These are all our curve objects. And then other tools like chamfering and filleting edges. There's also some tools like parabola. So if we look at the parabola tool, and I'm just going to kind of move over here to show this, but if I click on 3 points, we can start to get a kind of true parabola shape. And some other tools as well for creating three-dimensional types of curves, which we'll kind of cover next.